Dito ako sa wharf. It's lunch break kasi. So, I decided na maglakad-lakad para maka-exercise. Pero ang init. Masikat ang araw. Malamig pero masikat ang araw. So, yeah, may mga bench naman dito. So, probably mag-chill-chill muna ako. So, ayan, habang nag-chill ako dito, ang ganda ng view, diba? Tapos makulimlim kasi nasa ilalim ako ng puno. So, gusto ko magpasalamat sa aking 113 subscribers! From 105, naging 113. So, may nadagdag na 8. Tama ba ako? Tama. 8. Yes. So, thank you sa mga bago kong subscribers. Kung sino man kayo, thank you so much for subscribing and watching. At natutuwa ako kasi alam ko na meron kayong nagustuhan sa channel ko. That's why you subscribe. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, please do subscribe. Yon. Thank you so much! So, ayan nga. For my next video, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung aming apartment hunting. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung nangyari nung nag-viewing kami sa Braywood Apartment sa Langford. Nag-view kami dahil nung una, sinama lang kami ng friend namin. Shout out kay Jennifer na aking loyal subscriber. Si Jen, ang aking baby shark. Yan. Sinamahan namin siya na mag-view kasi lilipat sila from kasi nagre-rent sila currently sa room sa bahay tapos isang room sila ng asawa niya. So they decided na humanap ng apartment kasi darating yung pinsan nila, so mag-share sila. So nakita niya tong si Braywood Apartment, ginagawa pa lang siya. So ang move-in date niya is April 1 dun sa isang building, and then June naman dun sa isa pang building. So, sinamahan namin siya. And then, naisip ko din na since yung best friend ko darating dito sa Canada by April at naghahanap din sila ng matutuluyan or ng bahay. So, I decided na rin na to view for them nga. Para at least kung magustuhan man nila, doon na sila. Kasi medyo mura naman siya compare doon sa ibang mga existing apartments. So, ayun, nung nag-view kami, nagustuhan ko din siya. So, ang ending, lilipat na rin kami doon. So, kami ng husband ko at yung mga kaibigan namin na kasama namin sa bahay currently, doon na rin sila lilipat. Kasi, as of now, yung apartment namin is 3 beds. Kinuha namin siya dati kasi yun nga, parating yung friend namin, yung family ng friend. Yung friend namin at yung family niya, parating sila. And then naghahanap din sila ng pasok sa budget nila, like 2,000 budget for 2 bedrooms. So yung nakita namin kasi is 3 beds siya. So malaki. So sa amin napunta yung 3 beds and 2 baths. So sa amin napunta yung 1 bed and 1 bath. Tapos sa kanila yung 2 beds and 1 bath. So nag-share kami. Currently ang rent namin doon is 3,110. So ang rent nila is 1,855 and then sa amin yung 1,255. But then naisip namin na since mag-iisang taon na kami doon, mag-expire na yung contract namin by this end of March. Naisip namin ng asawa ko na why not na mag-solo naman kami. Kasi never pa namin na-try na magkaroon ng sariling space. Ever since na nakinasal kami, tapos tumira kami sa PNG, company provided siya. So, may sariling room and bath, tapos may shared space, yung common areas niya, yung kitchen, yung living room. So, yun, shared pa din. Tapos sa Pilipinas naman, may bahay nga kami, pero hindi namin talaga natirahan hanggang sa nag-decide na lang kami na ibenta kasi kailangan namin ng budget dito sa Canada, papunta dito sa Canada. So never talaga kami nagkaroon ng sariling space namin. So At kahit dito, nung dumating kami, yung asawa ko nagre-rent lang siya before ng room. Tapos nung dumating ako, sumama lang ako sa room niya. And then, nung lumipat kami sa apartment, may kasama pa rin kami. May ka-share pa rin kami. So, yun. Yun yung deciding factor sa naming mag-asawa na maghanap ng, lumipat ng sarili namin. Magkaroon kami ng sariling space. Total naman yung friend namin. Shout out kay Tintin and family. Total sila naman is settled na kasi 1 year na sila dito sa Canada. So parang naisip namin it's about time na din para magkaroon din naman sila ng sariling space nila and magkaroon din kami ng sariling space namin. So yun, ang kwento ng pag-viewing ng apartment na nauwi sa magiging apartment na rin namin. Gusto ko lang i-share ito kasi maganda yung location ng area, malapit sa West Shore Shopping Center. Maganda yung location para sa bus. Medyo may 7 minutes siguro, 5 minutes to 7 minutes na walking from the apartment to the bus stop. Pero carry lang kasi sanay naman ako maglakad. Tapos yon, ang maganda doon is, nung una kasi, ang target namin is yung 1,800, 1 bed, 1 bath. Pero, it's a low income apartment. So, hindi kami na-approve kasi combined salary kami ng asawa ko. So, medyo malaki daw. Kaya, napunta kami doon sa 1,800. So, ang magiging rent namin is 1,800. Although, malaki yung difference niya from our previous. But then, yun nga, magkakaroon kami ng yun yung nakaka-excite. Yung magkakaroon kami ng sariling space namin. Yung parang magbabahay-bahayan kami. Ayun, excited ako. So, ito, i-share ko sa inyo guys, yung viewing namin. At kung papunta pa lang kayo dito sa Canada, naghahanap kayo, pwede kayong mag-inquire. So, I will put down the description. I will put down the link in the description dun sa Woodsmere. Woodsmere yung developer niya. So, mag-inquire na lang kayo kung may available pa. Kasi, parang feeling ko naman may available kasi may mag-open pa na Building A sa June. Tapos, tawag dito, yun nga, may mag-open pa. And I don't think na magkakaroon ng problema kung nasa Pinas pa kayo. Kasi, yung best friend ko na nasa Pilipinas pa ngayon, nag-apply lang siya online. And then, nag-provide lang siya ng mga kailangang documentations. Although, I vouch for her kasi nandito na ako. Pero I don't think na magiging issue siya. Basta honest kayo and mag-provide kayo ng mga information and documents na required nila. I don't think na magiging issue yon. So, maaprubahan kayo at maaprubahan. So, yun lang. Eto po, sharing na our video ng sharing na the video of aming apartment viewing sa Braewood Apartments. Thank you so much for watching. Hi Beth. Ito ay sa Woodsmere. This is the 2-bed, 2-bath. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, you did not go to my birthday.
I know, I'm lazy.
Oh.
But if I move to Lakeford, I'll probably be at your place every week.
Yes, that's good.
Jen, she works with me.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So this is... Wait, I'm going to take video for Tita Nikki. So this is the first bedroom.
Yes. Has a working.
I like that there is a window and a closet.
Yes.
And then this is the washer area. Oh, it's big. Nice.
What is this?
You can also make this a storage.
Yes.
Yep.
It's like a. It's
So
like,
this is the washer.
It's like a.
And then this is the second toilet.
Oh my god, this is cute.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what's in there.
There's what's that? Bathtub.
Pretty.
And then there's closet.
This
And then this is the main bedroom, the master's bed.
I like this one so much.
Yeah. And then there's the closet over there. Medyo maliit lang din ang closet, pero okay naman. Oh, there, spacious. And merong ganun sa taas. That's good. And then this room, since it's the master's, we have the ensuite.
Hello, ate.
Same lang din. At least pareho may, may bathtub.
Yeah.
I love bathtub.
Nice, Nikki Joy. Go, go, go. This is, how much?
2,500
2.5.
for 2 bed.
2 bed, 2 bath.
Naka-call ka ba? Naka-video ka?
Video lang.
Meron sila 2 bed, 1 bath.
Isi-send ko lang. Mas maganda na itong 2 bed, 2 bath. 2
Ay,
one?
2 bath? Ay,
Kano?
2,500 ata o 2.
Hindi, yung 1 bath. 2. Pwede no? Kung pamilya naman sila.
Ito diba? Dalawa na sila 2 bed, 2 bed, 1 bath. Doon ka nga lang pag-ano.
Eto, pwede siyang gawing storage din. Ang liit lang ng ano.
Ito maliit eh.
Ang liit lang ng washer.
This is mine.
Oh yeah, hindi pwedeng heavy duty.
Oo. Medyo maliit lang yung washer niya.
This is your...
Oh, maliit nga siya. May ano dito, dapat pag mag-bed, yung beddings mo, dapat isa-isa lang siya.
Maliit?
Maliit siya.
Ay, hindi nga kasya comfortable dyan na.
Yan nga eh.
King eh. Hindi kasya na mamaliit lang yung pasukan.
Ano yan, basta hiwalay mo lang siya. Yeah.
Hindi kasi nakalagay yung ano, yung capacity ng ano. Kung ilang times.
You just start putting these on and a hard hat so I can show you your guys'
Thank
layout.
you.
And then I'll just
Oh.
Guys, we're viewing here at Woodsmere. Braewood apartment. Careful, bed. Diyos ko lang. Reklamo ka na kagad, be. Because there's no elevator yet. So, fifth floor ba? Guys, it feels like forever. It feels like forever. So this is a good exercise.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
So this is the...
This is the 2 bed, 1 bath. 1 bed. Oh, I like the version closet.
This is the master's bedroom.
I think so. 2 bed, 2 bath. Ah, same nung sa baba.
Malaki yung sa ano, sala. The difference is na una yung bedroom.
yeah, this is technically the master bedroom because it has the ensuite
Mm-hmm.
bathroom. This is the
It has the ensuite.
Oh, ato medyo maliit yung
This is the laundry area. Oh, this one is nice. Hindi kasi nandiyan na rin yung kitchen eh. Oh, I like the view. Maganda talaga pag nasa taas. It's nice if it's upper floors because you've got the nice view. This is the kitchen. This is where the fridge will be. And the oven on the side. How many square foot is this?
This is 943 square feet.
Oh, nice. 943.
Ganda ng view? Yeah.
This is the Yung, what park is this again?
Oh, maybe the air conditioning.
Oh, nice. Yes. Yep. Same like dun sa atin.
Oh my God.
So, this is the 2-in-1, 2-bed, 1-bath. Best mas maganda to. Because you have the counter here. This is the kitchen area.
So, sir, you guys.
And then you'll have the storage here.
Only because she's looking for her friend. Her friend is coming, yeah. That's
So, this is the living room. Nice and spacious, where you can also put the dining area there. And then there's this, the balcony.
Huwag ka na mag-dining. Ito ka. Dito ka lang sa counter. Bumili ka lang ng bar table. Diyan ka na kumain.
And then this is an extra storage. This is what I like here. You have a big storage here, so you can put all your luggages and other things. And then this is the first room. It's an equal size room, so for both rooms, so it's good. This is 2200s compared to the 2-bed, 2-bath, which is 2600. So small closet. And then we can, this is the second bedroom, equal size. You have also the closet there.
This is the master bedroom.
And this is the bath, toilet and bath. There's the bathtub. Medyo mababa lang yung ceiling niya, pero nice. And this is the laundry area.
Laundry room.
Yeah, the laundry room. Ginagawa pa lang to. But then, ang turnover nito is March to April. So, just in time for your arrival here.
Dito, ito nga.
Mas bet ko to, be. Mas maganda to.
Mas maganda siya.
Because there's a counter and the storage area. Dito yung fridge, stove. Maganda. May pang?
No, we're making a vlog. Are you? You are.
Magkano daw to?
1800.
Malaki din ng kwarto eh. Kaso 18. Awesome car. Oh, this one is nice. May pa walk-in. And then this. Perfect one. Oo. Meron din siyang ano, there will be another door for, this one. This.
Yeah.
And then,
So the washer is inside
inside the toilet.
the toilet. Yeah, so this would be the...
So this is the second time we view this unit. This is in 6th floor kasi we decided not to get our own. So ito yung 1-bed, 1-bath. So this is the toilet. Yung toilet, meron siyang access from the kitchen and then meron siyang access from inside the room. So from inside the room, merong door from walk-in closet to the toilet and bath. Tapos yung washer kasama dito sa toilet and bath area, pero separated siya sa kabilang gilid doon sa side na yon. Tapos yan, and then what I like most about here is meron siyang malaking walk-in closet. And then this walk-in closet, meron siyang door papuntang bedroom. So maraming may ilalagay, malaki. Maraming anik-anik na matatambak. Tapos this is the bedroom, malaki siya. Ang maganda dito is walang kanto-kanto sa bedroom, kaya maipupwesto ng maayos yung mga gamit. And then, meron siyang balcony facing Bray Avenue. Makikita yung mga puno-puno. Kaya maganda rin naman siya. Maganda yung view. And the living space, malaki siya. Nice. Nagustuhan siya ng asawa ko at nagustuhan namin talaga. So, nice. Excited na kami. Thanks for watching.